Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open the Google Drive app now and find the file or folder you plan to share. You do this because Drive controls link settings per item. Once found, tap the three dots next to that item to open Actions. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. If not, switch accounts before proceeding. This first step sets the sharing context and avoids accidental exposure of the wrong files. Once the menu appears, look for Share or Link settings to continue. Tap Share, then tap Get Link. This is where you control who can open the file. Choose Restricted to limit to specific people or anyone with the link for open access. Pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor depending on desired permissions. You should change permissions now because incorrect access levels are the most common issue. After selecting the right option, tap Copy Link so the URL is on your clipboard. Once copied, you're ready to deliver the link via message or email. Paste the copied link into your preferred messaging app, email, or group chat and send it. After sending, confirm the recipient can open the link. Ask them to report success or try opening it yourself in an incognito tab. If someone sees access denied, go back to the file's share settings and either add their Google account or change link access to anyone with the link. One key troubleshooting tip: check you copied the latest link and that the file belongs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.